Hey everyone, welcome back to Kraken Media, the channel where we deep dive into the world of audio technology and content creation. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our awesome content. Today we're unraveling the often confused yet distinctly different terms audio editing and audio mastering. Whether you're into podcasting, voice acting, or just a curious audiophile, knowing the difference between these two is crucial. Let's start with audio editing. Audio editing is all about cutting and trimming and arranging your raw audio. This is where you would remove any ums, awkward silences, or that moment your dog decided to bark at the mailman. Now let's slide into audio mastering. Think of mastering as the final polish, ensuring that your audio shines its best across all devices, be it on your tiny smartphone speakers or your extravagant home theater system. To sum it up, audio editing is your basic cut and paste, while audio mastering is about fine-tuning the sound. In dialogue and voiceovers, mastering ensures that your voice carries the right weight, clarity, and emotional impact. Alright, that's a wrap for today's episode. It was just a quick one, but I hope this clears up any confusion you had about audio editing versus audio mastering. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with anyone you think might benefit from it. Until next time, keep those sound waves rolling. Thanks for watching. For more tips and tutorials, make sure to subscribe and check out the other videos on the channel. I'll see you next time.